Hello friend, welcome back. So in this video, let's try to broadcast our advertisement of multi-peer connectivity. Okay, so we'll put the action here. When we click the button, right, advertise, we'll try to send out the advertisement. Okay, so we need to create nearby service advertiser. We'll define a variable here, var nearby service advertiser. Yeah, we don't need the value. The data type is MC nearby service. Here, nearby service advertiser. Let's put an exclamation mark here. It means the developer will guarantee it will never be nil when it's used. Okay, so here, let's hide this. We'll create that thing. So nearby service advisor equals MC nearby service advisor. Yeah, we use this initializer. Peer. Okay, we need an object of the peer ID. Now let's go back here to define one. Peer ID. This will represent, right, the communicating entity, like, right, it represents me on my iPhone, or you on your iPad, and him on his maybe MacBook, something like that. So data type is, you guess, MCPID. Yeah, exclamation mark. We also would guarantee it's not nil when we use it. So let's create one here. Peer ID equals MC peer ID. We'll use this one, display name. That's why we tried that, right? Display ID, it means during the multi-peer connectivity, right, communication, we need a name, right, to show to all our peers. So we can use this, our computer name. Okay, so now we can use this guy, make a copy and put it here. But wait a minute, here you see the data type required for this argument is string. It's not string question mark. It means it cannot be nil. If we paste it here, compiler will complain, yeah, because this is optional. It could be nil. When it's nil, this guy is not happy. Okay, so let's auto fix that. Now we'll introduce a new syntax of no, it's not new in script, it's new to us, right? Let's use this fix. So you see, double question mark. It means if this guy is nil, we have a chance to provide a default value. You can put whatever you like here. For me, I'll say golden suns, MacBook Pro. Okay, MacBook Pro 2020, like that. Now, oh, we don't need this one now, so remove that. So with this ID, right, ready, we can peer ID here, we can put it here. Peer, it doesn't, oh yeah, here, discovery information, we don't need that, so put a near here. Service type, oh, this is important. this is the like a string to representing our service. What is our service? Let's say Golden Sun GT. Let's keep it short. It has to be, I guess, if I am not wrong, it has to be less than 15 characters. So, but anyway, we'll use connect 4 like that. Okay, this is our service type. Now we created an object of nearby service advertiser. We can send out advertisement, right? It means we'll do advertising, but before that we need to set its delegate. What is the delegate? Advertiser delegate here. Advertiser delegate. We ourselves, right? Ourselves, the object of the view controller, right, adopts this protocol. So it means we can put self here like that. Command B, it compiles. If we without that it's not allowed, it doesn't work. So if we comment out this, like the connect for view controller, right, doesn't conform to this MC nearby service advertiser delegate, then it doesn't compile, because you see, cannot assign value of type connect for view controller to type MC nearby service advertiser delegate. Alright, so it's necessary. Okay, after that we can do nearby service dot start advertising peer. Okay, that's bring up my favorite whiteboard to explain what will happen. So auto, this is our big picture, remember? So we talked about that a few days ago. Yeah, so all we are doing is part of this big picture, right? Eventually we'll have a game server in the cloud, and all the like Apple's devices, iPhone, iPad, Mac, desktop, MacBook, and Android phones, and other like Linux computer or Windows computer can all talk with our game server to play game together. And yeah, but between each of Apple's device we can use peer-to-peer to talk with each other. We'll also do that. It has nothing to do with the socket server. Okay, so we'll do both for the iOS devices. They can talk to the server, or they can using socket, or they can use peer-to-peer to talk with each other. At very bottom, peer-to-peer is still using socket communication. It's a lower level communication mechanism. Okay, now let's remove that, get rid of that. So peer-to-peer, we have like an advertiser in the middle like that, and there are other peers, right? Peer 1, and yeah, let's remove the peer. one, so I can use copy to save some time. So copy and paste, right? Too many. Okay, it's like that. So this one can be, for example, an iPhone or whatever. Now it will send out the advertisement, say I'm here, come to join me, right? Come to, yeah, try to invite me. Like that, it's send out. It is broadcasting, right? So send out advertisement to the nearby area, like in your home, right? You can use Wi-Fi, or if there's no Wi-Fi available, it might use Bluetooth or other network in, like, it's called short distance communication. So now those peers can detect those broadcasting advertisement. Then when they detect the advertisement, they can send back. Oh, okay, so this is like step, this is one. Okay, step one. Let me change to a different color. So step two, right? It was after it received the advertisement, it can send back to invitation, to invite. Okay, so this one peer to peer, so this one will, yeah, step two, it will invite the advertisement advertiser, right, to start to build the communication channel, which is called session. And anyone can be advertiser. And this one we call is inviter. Okay, here, inviter. Yeah, so inviter is OR or AR. I think it's ER. Sorry about that. Yeah, correct me if it's wrong. Okay, so anyone can be advertiser, and like the role of them can switch. Yeah. So like if we have like two computers running that, right, whoever practices this first is the advertiser, and the other guy will play the role of inviter. To invite, you will invite the advertiser to continue the building up of the channel. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so run it. Let's see what will happen. We haven't finished all the, but let's click. We haven't finished all the logic, right? There's no code for the inviter, right? The inviter is the receiver of the broadcast, the advertisement. Now let's click this one. Button clicked. Okay, nothing is wrong, and it means now this computer is sending out the advertisement. Okay, in our next video we'll try to receive, right, to respond to this, respond to this advertisement. Thank you for watching. See you next.